Hey, if y'all haven't already, go ahead and make sure y'all hit the subscribe button for me, gang. While y'all let it, go ahead and jump to Instagram and follow your boy, man. We got bangers coming. YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Jones and the 8 back with another motherfucking banger for y'all. We're gonna start this joint off with a quick little drive right quick, but we got more in store for this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, gang. We're gonna have more bangers like this coming for y'all. More modifications, as y'all can tell by the title and the motherfucking thumbnail. We got this Wicker bill that my impatient ass already had to open and goddamn, you know what I'm saying? But we ain't fully unboxed it, so we're gonna unbox that joint a little bit. And we're gonna install it on this video. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. We're about to ride to my mom Duke's crib because got a little bit more space there. Y'all stay tuned, man. We're about to put this Wicker bill there. It's a little bittersweet for me because I really don't want to take off this SRT8 symbol on the back. So we're gonna have to find a way to cut into that jank. Or yeah, we're gonna find a way. We're gonna find a way. Cut y'all back on. This light is a continent light, so we're gonna install today. So that's the main focus. Be right back. It's the box. Ain't shit in here but the tools. Will come in here. The top piece, you know, the middle piece right here. Let me see if I can out the box. We got the middle piece. And we got this piece. I'm gonna put mine on the back side. I guess that's why the cardboard out here for dumb motherfuckers like me. That's gonna put it on the concrete. It's gonna be lined up like that. We gotta take this off. That's the bad part. So I got everything that I need right here. Where the paper at? Everything that the paper say. The drill in the car. We got the painting tape. I ain't got no fucking Sharpie. I might gotta go on mama crib get that. Got the tape measure somewhere right here. What else? Got the 2 drill bits right here. Got the pliers. And I got these. What else? We got the socket wrenches right there. You know what I mean? And then a good friend just gonna be me, you know what I mean? My handy dandy self. Cause I'm good, you know what I mean? Like that. We got tape. We use the tape to hold that motherfucker up. And I'm gonna set it over here to watch me. So, where we starting? We're gonna start with the wipe down. Go and get the car wash after I put this wing on, so don't worry. We can get this shit off with this damn screwdriver. Shouldn't be too hard. We halfway got it off. Mike can pull it off right here. Yep, she coming. That's that Dodge factory glue. We got it off, man. But don't worry. Hopefully we can put it back on the Wicker bill. Damn, I ain't never wanted to take that hoe off. But there you go. Wipe this bitch down one more time. Let me see. And from here, we can go ahead and tape the whole bitch right quick. Show y'all how I'm taping. And then I'm gonna show y'all how it's taped. Take this bottom half right quick. That's the bottom. Gonna come back with one more line. Boom. Now I'm gonna show y'all how it's taped. I take most of this, so I ain't gotta worry about, you know what I'm saying? Whole junk down there tape. Now I'm gonna grab the big pot and I'm gonna put these markings on it before I drill in with the first drill bit, which is the 1/8 jump. The smaller one, 1/8 one before we go with the big dog. Here we get it though. Trials and tribulations, man. That's what it's all about. This what we got. Do it look even on camera. Looking good. If you see what I'm looking at this. Damn near lined up, no bullshit. So we're gonna mark these holes and then we're gonna get to drilling them. Got that marked up. I put little dots in it so I know exactly where to hit it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see that one. Easy. Next one. Easy. That's with the 1/8 jump. Now I gotta go back with this big shit. I'm scared. That's the one I'm scared of right here. This big shit. This shit is the one I'm scared of. But we already in too deep now, so let's get it. Someone came up good. Try to clean up the holes a little bit though. For the most part, they good. Oh, these shits. Let's see. CM16s. Oh. There you go. Hold it and crank. Looking good. So I'm going to snatch the tape off before I do the rest of it. I don't want none of that tape to be caught around the edges. Push it in. Oh, damn. Take your pliers and hold it. But you gotta crank it with the 7/16 too. Gotta make it tight. Got all them in. Now we ain't gotta do shit. We'll put these on. Yeah, so we done in at the end. Go ahead and take this plastic off. We gotta get the other screen first. Put these middle 3 in. We done, man. That's how it look. I think I'm gonna raise it down though. I think I'm gonna go down with it. I don't think I like that. The whole high profile thing. I don't know. I think the high one looking better though. Low. Or high. I don't know. Oh, that was the install. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. It's a Strat gang. Y'all think we should get them? Put the SRT8 back up there. Y'all think that's hard? I think we got to put that back up there. There we go. Looking good. Came out better than I expected, man. Thought I wasn't gonna be able to do it. So yeah, y'all hit me up. I need y'all Wickers put on, man. Yes, sir. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video, man. We're on the road to 150 subscribers. Bring y'all bangers earlier in the channel. Make sure y'all tighten these down too. If not, your shit will be gone. Thanks, y'all. Tune again later, man. We out.